Hello friends, welcome back. Today I'm not going to show you any fermented food recipes. I'm going to show you how to make herbal tea which has lots of health benefits. Basically I'm going to show you herbal tea made from flower. I will show you two flowers today, hibiscus and blue butterfly pea flower. Both the flowers have lots of health benefits and you should try at home. First I'm going to show you how to make hibiscus tea. I'm boiling water with some grated ginger. I will add few cloves. You can use your preferred other spices. Cover the lid and let it boil for 5 minutes. I'm going to use fresh hibiscus from my garden. You can use fresh or the dried one, or you can also use the tea bag. If you are using the fresh flower, wash the flower little bit in water. Take out the flower petals one by one. Today I am making 1 cup tea. 2 flowers are sufficient for 1 cup tea, but this flower has 2 layers, so I am going to use only 1 flower. After 5 minutes of boiling water, switch off the gas. Soak it for a few seconds and then add to the boiling water. Stir a little bit and you will notice the color of the petals are gone immediately and the water will become dark reddish. I'm also adding some basil leaves. You can add the basil leaves in the beginning. I forgot to add in the beginning. So I'm just covering with the flowers and I will leave it this way 7 to 10 minutes. Hibiscus tea has many health benefits. One of the major health benefit is to control high blood pressure. Those who are having high blood pressure, this can be very good for you. It also helps to reduce the bad cholesterol and it can also help you to reduce weight. Nutrition wise, it's high in antioxidants and it can actually boost your immunity. It can also help to prevent cancer. Even it has the potential to fight the bacteria. Like if you are having any bacterial infection, you can have the hibiscus tea. It can help you to fight with the bacteria. It is also very good for the liver. If you want your tea little sweet, add half spoon of honey. If you are pregnant or breastfeeding, you should avoid taking hibiscus tea. Also, if you are suffering from malaria and taking chloroquine, you should also avoid this tea. If you are taking any special medication or suffering from any special disease, you should always take the advice from doctor. Inform him that you want to take the hibiscus tea. Now I'm going to show you the butterfly pea flower tea. I don't have the fresh flowers in my garden, so I'm going to use the dry flowers today. You can use the tea bag or the fresh flowers. While boiling the water, I will add some grated ginger and some cinnamon sticks. You can use your preferred spices. You can use lemongrass or mint. All these have excellent aroma and very refreshing too. Let it boil for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes of boiling water, switch off the gas. Here also I am making 1 cup tea. Now I am going to use these dry flowers. I am using around 10 flowers and then just cover the lid. Stir a little bit and you can cover it for 7 to 10 minutes. Shortly you will notice the flowers has released the color in the water and the water will become very dark blue. This bird is just like a family member. She comes at least 50 times a day on our balcony. Once the flowers release the color, you can strain the tea. I'm just putting the cinnamon stick back. If you like your tea little sweet, you can add some honey. This butterfly tea has lots of health benefits. It is called as natural paracetamol. That means if you are having fever, you should take this blue tea. Also, if you are having anxiety or stress for some reason, this can be really helpful. This blue tea is also very effective for diabetics. It can help to control the blood sugar and the glucose level. This is also good for heart, and it's rich in antioxidants, so it can actually boost your immunity. This blue tea is also anti-aging, anti-inflammatory, and it can be really good for your skin and hair. So my blue tea is ready. You can have some snacks with this. And now I'm going to take breakfast. Today I have aloo paratha, which means flat bread. I am also having honey fermented garlic, which is my favorite also, and lacto fermented sauce. Actually this is very nice with yogurt, but I don't have yogurt today, so I'm eating with the lacto fermented sauce. And also I'm having some spicy sauerkraut. If you are interested for these fermented recipes, for the fermented honey garlic, the sauce and the sauerkraut, you can check the link below. I will put the link in the description. We all know herbal tea are very good for our health. It has lots of antioxidants and lots of other health benefits. If not regularly, you can take them few times a week, and this will help you to control your blood sugar, blood pressure, your mental health, stress, depression, anxiety, and also your skin and hair health. If you like this video, comment below, give me a thumbs up, press the subscribe button with bell button, and I will see you again.
ভালো আছে বুবু? হ্যাঁ? তুমি shy? কেন? হ্যাঁ? চাটা গুড হয়েছে। এই কালারটা তোমার ভালো লাগছে? ব্লু কালারের টি? না, এটা পার্পল কালার টি। এটা পার্পল কালার না, এটা ব্লু কালার বাবা। পার্পল আর ব্লু। পার্পল আর ব্লু? ব্লু কালারটি ভালো হয়েছে। ব্লু কালারটি ভালো হয়েছে? You want more? Okay, I'll give you. Like this video and subscribe to Bubu channel. Bubu channel? Hello, subscribe my mommy channel. Subscribe my Bubu channel. I do too. Subscribe my channel, my mommy channel. Subscribe Bubu channel. And I love you.